Right, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we give you top-notch breakdown of design processes. Yeah, before we get started, if you know you have been finding this helpful, please turn on the notification bell and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please do it now. Subscribe. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's keep going, let's keep growing together. Yes, so today I'm actually going to teach you guys how to pick a color from an image yes, or a text or from anywhere, how to pick a color and add it to your design, like that same design, maybe to your picture, maybe to your text or your background, anything. You can actually pick it and add it. So let's go straight to our Photoshop is already opened. Then a let's pick let's pick document. Yeah, let's take a look at this. So, okay, let's drag and drop this software Photoshop. So this is Photoshop. So what we would want to do now is we would want to give this is more like a shape beneath, okay, on top. So let's send it to the back. Yes, send it to the back. So you're at the back and want to change the color. If we come here directly, I'll tell you the importance of it. If you come here directly, you want to choose the red color. Yes, you would get it. You might not get the exact red, the exact color, though this was actually worked on. Yes, it was actually worked on. Now if you want the breakdown of this design in particular, please thank you 1k subscribers. Just drop just say interested in the comment section and I would do a breakdown in the comment section. Thank you. So you will not get the exact color, but here, since our essence is to get the exact color, though it was worked on. So first what you will do is at the tab here, immediately you click just this smaller box here. If you open it, it brings out the color for you to be able to change the color to input different variations. But immediately you leave, provided that this color picker tab is opened, immediately you bring your cursor out to your workspace. It comes with an indicator like a picker. Can you see it? This is a picker. This is the picker. So we can now put it on an already existing image or picture to be able to pick out the color. So if we tap on it, yes, see, getting similar. If you look at it, you barely know the difference between this and this. For this white here, so and this was actually worked on. So I had a shadow and some other stuffs also complemented this design. So this is how to pick a color from a design project, an already existing design project or image. Yes, so let's try out another one. Let's try out another let's try out this because I have too many, though I've not posted this design. So many designs I've done of recent, I just kept them. So and I use the same thing here. I actually used it here, if you can look. So these are things that over time, as we move on in our design process, is we would make use of these things because it simplifies and easing our work. Yes, it even brings out the professionalism. So let's take for instance, we want to make this. So let's pick this color. So just like I said, you would click on the shape, then come up here, then double click on that box. So immediately move out, a picture comes out, and then you can unpick it. It's actually this color, that's the color. But here what I did was I had to reduce the opacity because I just needed it to be faint like that. So that's it. So let's pick this color to be sure that we're good. Open it, then right click, pick it, see the color. So this will actually save you a lot of stress. If you learn this, master it, it will save you and help you. Even top graphic designers still make use of this. So who are you not to make use of it? So other colors, let me pick from this cap. Yeah, it's out color, so it is fine like this. I believe you've understood how to go about picking color. Please subscribe, please, and please turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. That's all for now. Yeah, thank you.